Toyota just broke the internet. Forget the Supra, and forget the GR86. The legendary Celica is officially returning. But this time, it's a mid-engined, all-wheel drive monster packing over 400 horsepower. At an estimated $55,000 USD, it threatens to completely obliterate the Nissan Z Nismo and the BMW M2. But did Toyota just build the ultimate giant killer, or a highly compromised science experiment? For nearly 2 decades, the Celica nameplate has been dead, but with Akio Toyota pushing a massive save the combustion engine agenda, Gazoo Racing has secretly been developing the M concept, a radical testbed featuring their brand new G20E 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. The automotive world is shifting to heavy EVs, but Toyota is dropping an inflation-busting, rally-inspired analog weapon right on our doorstep. But while the spec sheet sounds like an absolute dream, Toyota's radical decision to shove the engine directly behind the front seats has created a terrifying handling quirk at the limit. It's a flaw that could completely ruin the car for everyday drivers, and we're going to expose exactly what that is in just a minute. Cabin practicality, tech, and build quality. Step inside the upcoming Celica, and don't expect Lexus levels of luxury. Gazoo Racing builds cars for driving, meaning the cabin is tight, functional, and deeply driver-centric. You're sitting 75 millimeters lower than you would in a Porsche 718 Cayman, putting your center of gravity right on the pavement. The infotainment will be the standard 8-inch or 12.3-inch Toyota audio multimedia system, highly responsive, straightforward, and offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But practicality? With the engine relocated to the middle, expect 0 rear seats and a microscopic trunk. If you need to haul groceries, go buy a GR Corolla. Real-world drive dynamics and fuel efficiency. On the highway, the Celica will exhibit a firm, stiff ride. This isn't a grand tourer. You will hear road noise and you will feel the expansion joints. But when the road gets twisty, the new G20E engine absolutely sings. Producing an estimated 400 horsepower and paired to Toyota's new 8-speed Gazoo Racing direct automatic transmission or a 6-speed manual, it fires out of corners with lethal precision. Fuel efficiency won't win any eco awards. Expect roughly 22 to 24 mpg combined, lagging slightly behind milder coupes, but completely acceptable for a 400 horsepower track weapon. Long-term reliability and appreciation. This is where things get interesting. You might worry about a highly strung 2.0-liter turbo pushing 200 horsepower per liter. However, Toyota's GR division operates on a strict test, break, fix, repeat philosophy. They've been aggressively campaigning this exact powertrain in the Super Taikyu 24-hour endurance series, specifically to find its breaking points. Paired with Toyota's standard 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty and 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain coverage, long-term ownership shouldn't be a nightmare. Furthermore, because of its unique mid-engine AWD layout and the legacy of the Celica badge, depreciation will be virtually non-existent. This will be an instant collector's item. So what is that terrifying handling quirk we mentioned earlier? Because Toyota shifted the engine to the middle to eliminate the standard GR Wirus's understeer, the M concept prototype became violently twitchy at the limit. Professional test drivers noted that while it's faster on the straights, it has a wicked tendency to snap oversteer if you lift off the throttle mid-corner. It demands a highly skilled driver to keep it out of the barriers. Here is the brutal verdict. If you want a comfortable daily driver to commute to the office, skip this and buy an Acura Integra Type S. But if you want a raw, uncompromising, mid-engine rally weapon that will absolutely terrorize supercars on a canyon road, the new Celica is the only car that matters. The Celica is bringing the heat to the sports car market, but its biggest Japanese rival has already been fully unleashed on the track. To see if the Nissan Z Nismo is actually worth the premium price tag, click the video right here, and I'll see you over there.